Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything we don't concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. You don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Two people there. You understand? As a married woman, it good say me you respect yourself. Your husband will still respect you.
Okay.
You understand, my good people, my lovely people?
Oh my God.
Ah, thank you for coming, my darling sister. God bless you. So my wonderful people, you know, not say where person go talk something, eh? Some women will cry, come and say, thank you for coming. Please share this video. Okay, guys. So some women will cry, come and say, their husband, they don't know what they do. Oh. That's also beat their husband, they beat them. Their husband, no, they respect them. Are you coming on office? Me, I load this thing. So, some say their husband, no, they respect them. Their husband family, no, they respect them. May they talk the truth. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. May some they talk the truth. So, one of our sister will cry to me. Eh? My good people, one of us when I call you enter. So one of our sister will cry to me. Eh? She cry, say your husband. That every day your husband they beat her. They do this one. Even now she they wear glass. Now I say, my sister, what happen? She said the man they embarrass her. Oh.
Okay.
I know who they call for this.
Oh my God.
So she said the man they embarrass her, my people. This is what they so something they happen. Guys, share this video, okay? So this our sister, he boyfriend, abi fiancé, where she the friend before. So that one go they write they send her a message. Cause waiting the man explain to me, and cause she don't want to talk, only waiting she talk say the man die, the man ruin day, so may not come die one day. Now say me no feel here for only you, me I here for your husband. You understand me? No, he want cry come media. Now I say no, you know your cry come media like that. Man, no, just say you go just they carry her and they beat you. Now I say ask me this, so since when me and my husband no, you never beat me one day. Not be say oh husband or wife not they get argument to. Where you call result to beating. I never experienced her. She said no, he want cry come out to all the wound where you put for her body. Now I say my darling sister, before you cry come media, what will happen? Me want fair here for the man. So me come here for the night, the man come. Thank you, my sister. God bless you. So my people, when the man open my talk to me, you know say when something go happen, they'll say, married women, not be all. So married women, may they respect yourself. If you respect yourself as a married woman, your husband, he go respect you. You understand? Not be say you will be married woman, your ex-boyfriend, my good people. Because I don't want to make this video too long. So our ex-boyfriend, I don't know where they meet. Oh, so since we in with our meet, now so even midnight where they sleep, the boy go send message. How was your night? My good people, you know, say what people they not send person. So the message, you know, say husband and wife like this, maybe the fee go settle tomorrow now. I don't say the message go see the media. No, I don't want something like that. So my people, you will be married woman, your ex-boyfriend go they send you message. You go they read down for your husband present. She go they wait, make the man help go work before you go meet the man. So the man say he no fit take am. Message just enter this thing. So the man say he no fit take am. He be man. He say so say he come dey fear because if they carry the man they come house. When the man don't see come out, not be say this one not they work now, or maybe say this man not they work. Now maybe the woman they do like that. He say when this he don't go work, he go carry the man come house, arrange food for him. Even the food where he cook for fridge, he go carry give him. He go call the ask his wife say, you not cook food yesterday? How am I all this food take finish? He go say, Europe now food not be anything now. The man say he go see beer. You understand? He said so this thing called the happen. We can't talk to the family, so they can't do family meeting. So the guy not enough it all. So tell the man okay and go shopping, go do shopping for them. The man can say he can ask and say, okay, you know say you love this your ex guy, I be ex fiancé. My people, if I'm not talking, women correct me. Why you not just follow her? He said no. The time where he see her now because say money, now he see good say not good say me man they use money the entire woman. If woman want love me, love you the way you be. You understand? If you use money to entice woman, time go come, that money where you take entice her, where you love day, he go see go there. Now be waiting they happen so. So he will come they tell your husband where he pay dowry for your head. Say the thing where he ex-boyfriend they do. The husband where he put on for us, he know they do one. You understand? He know they do one. In they manage you. Now the man say, he to say never see pay your dad. You say, and because he not pay your dad, now this one they happen. So he no know. So the man say, I saw this one can't they happen. He no fit take am. You understand? Now he beat am. He beat am. Maybe he go sister. He say no. As we talk, he saying he they cookie food. So he no fit. He to say the woman go come out now. May he go follow yes. The children, the 2 children, may he carry them go give a family for Nigeria. Because he no fit guarantee say he go fit take off the children. So he say now then he can conclude. So me can ask the woman say, why you can't they behave like this? My people, he say no be as the man be before, not be so he be. Now say as the man be. He said because the time when he with the man no. Maybe my people, maybe the man they go 100 times. So now say you know say this man they walk if they walk so you also consider that side and you still no say body not be small picky again. He say no because now marriage now he marriage and the man force and marry. He force and marry not be choice not be this one. Now say you know say you don't love this man. For your mind, for your heart, you don't love her. Because say that your ex, he never get anything, but you love her naturally. This one he come marry you for us now. You don't love her. She say yes. I see day yes. So where he might day, now he might day. Now I say her. Some women, my people, they like to risk their life. Nothing I say now risk you day, so risk. All the old message, my people. The man they ask a question say, in and your husband, your so-called, now you can't talk out. The thing be. The woman say, without bit of now you, now he try pass. I don't want to put mouth for there. You understand, my good people. See, my women, all those single women we never marry, single girls. I want beg you now. If you deal with ma, you know you deal with ma. You know say you dey with ma or you dey friend ma, maybe another man come because you want follow because of his money. It's not good. Thank you for coming. You see, my sister. You see, now tell her say, now see, it's not good say, may you dey manage ma. At the end, you manage the ma, where your man dey, now your man still dey. I want you just take advice. Many women will never marry. If you know say you don't like ma, no marry her. You understand? No marry her, no manage her. May you still go where your man dey. You will still go. You go still find the one where you go love her. Because every woman get your husband. Every man get his wife. You understand me? So what if many? Thank you for coming. Good afternoon. You are welcome. Please share this video. So okay. This thing is not be today. It start to dey happen. You understand? So if man okay, not be say this man now when month go end, money enter account. Now you they do everything. Now I dey talk say this life when money I too much money where you not find since now you don't settle down. Now you want come work the money. It not good. It not good. So my people, now say I want to see bring this matter come. May una see give una advice. Una understand me? Because this thing now, may not come be say one day they'll say so bad like this don't kill your wife. Oh, we it will say this one not come out now. I say, oh, why this man do like that now? Now I tell the girl say, now every risk now you do so. Every risk. Your husband, when you go pay your dowry, if they never pay your dowry, you understand? You go the read message where your ex-boyfriend they send for you. No go let this man eat you one day. Oh, they can't be say, people can say, this one person we I see yesterday. So now I see, tell her say, I'll see bring her come out before you cry come out. You hear? Talk what happen. The way she they do, she won't cry. She not talk what happen at all. Now the man can't open up to me. You understand? So my people, not be anybody where just to you, explain matter to you. Not be him. You see here for the other side. Okay. You understand me? It will say me not here now. After they play video, more than see this man want kill his wife. Oh, more than see how where the man talk, my sister. I feel for the man. I asked the girl, my sister, if they do this one to your brother, how you go feel? You will like her? You see, una no say some women they they don't want say make they be mad for us. Now I tell them say now you can be mad for us. So now man maybe he get a woman for our side. Now you can be woman where be say you get boyfriend for our side. If your husband don't go work, you will carry a con. What of one day the man can't catch you? He can't catch your ex-boyfriend. Either something go happen. So make some women make one know the risk in our life. Now tell us as you did so you don't want to chop your food again. Man when you come for work, where you supposed to prepare correct food for, he go enter kitchen, go cook by himself. Man when you go come for work, you supposed to find where he go come up call for your body. He go enter kitchen, do one as he like. Nothing like the one where woman prepare. Now understand? Now I say that kind of thing is not good. If family talk to you, you say no. Even in mama, he say the boy say when he insult his mama, una no say I dey talk and say, man, una dey look well. No una say this woman just fine. Una some women will pretend if you don't carry an enter house, that bad thing wey he learn, he go call the bring and come out. Una understand? My good people, my wonderful people. Una see, ask some women till they put their life for risk. You also go they ask the man money. Say, you need so this one. The man will send money for them. So that kind of thing not good. As a married woman, respect yourself. Respect yourself. Your husband go proud of you. He go proud of you. Know let the tea touch you. As you be saying now the man wants to respect you. He go call you name where not supposed to call you. So I beg. I just call you this me to advise some married women. I beg, more than respect on herself. una husband go respect you, una husband family go respect una. Una understanding? Okay, now what you do this one now? Your husband family don't hear. Which eye they want to look you tomorrow? Eh? The mama talk to you. Now no say our old man that you come to say no cut I working my picky or this one. You start to insult her. You start to insult the woman. Okay, the woman no you talk to you. Say okay, man, you do what you like.
Nah.
Eh? My people, some women, some married women, they disgrace themselves. You understand? So, not be everybody go cry come and say, hey, your husband they beat her. I beg, may we they ask question where? You understand? Before we go take any action for the woman. Some women just they don't even care for the man. Huh? Now according to the man, what is the man talking? He says sometimes, he go even tell his wife, thanks for coming, God bless you. He go tell his wife, say, he get as body they do. He say, no, he not go even care. He not go even mind herself. You understand? He says, since all this thing happen now, he not get himself again. Sometimes he go your day working place. He not fit do anything. He go come ask. He not go even ask and say, only what happen. He not go even concern her. Now everybody they do you. Food when you go eat now. According to the man, don't say we Africa, we prepare our food, we will keep on for fridge. He say you know the feed one in the cookie food, the one where you go eat now. You understand? You see, eh? So my people, some women, very wicked. And this woman now another thing you go tell the family, you understand? Another thing then you go talk because person will be say he do bad thing. He know the one we take do bad. Now, the one where people will take side down, the one where family will take side down, now you go talk. You understand? Huh? The man say because if you not can do what that they do, huh? You know say as Benin man, una know na, he no agree. You see, huh? He said because the man they can't go somewhere, go they do. You understand what you talk so? He no go near her again. Now I tell her say brother, if you not say that kind of thing day, I beg. May you not risk your life. Say, may you, you understand? So now the advice me still give that brother. You understand me? Many of us will come for Edo. You know how that kind of thing be. So it not good. Huh? Some married women more not respect yourself. It not me say you see your ex-boyfriend, you know go greet him. He get the kind you understand? The kind play where he go play with you. You go wanna. You never know say I don't marry. Not be say your ass, you greet and never see do. You see carry a con ass. You see they complain and say you not get money, may send money to you. Waiting. I beg. May some people some men take it easy. And that money, that money you still take and buy something. Or maybe you buy me say buy take and buy something for her, the man or control for inside. What many people you believe nowadays say I will not there again. Why I was not there? I was there. I was there. Only say they say life not change. Now people with their life. Me I talking for Benin. Agbon ma fi weri emani ragbon or fi agbon weri. You understand? Okay, maybe the man now he say me you come out tomorrow now. You go to take your this city they stay all the other people. They'll say hey this woman na single mother. Responsible single mother day. You understand? You get some man where you go there some woman like. It's not that the woman will go die. You say I beg you carry your load though. May if you trade these children. You understand? That's what they say some single mother. No. Like this one now, he go now. He say he want carry the next man say no. Okay, if you don't go now, they'll call they say single mother. Not be all. Many of them they're responsible. You understand? Many single mother where with the see so many of them they're responsible. You understand? Instead of say maybe some man go call they give them stress. There are people go there every day. I beg go me have you train these children. You understand? They say I let me know boma. Now wait till me tell us okay. This one what you do now you want to take your children may you go. Now that one the man say you no go agree. Okay, as you call here say the man say you want carry the children go Africa. Then you can say no, you know, yeah, you no go agree. Now so okay, if you don't carry the children go, now you can say hey, you be single mother. You know talk, what happen? So my anytime we say hey see go no some not even responsible. This girl dey so I know what me I call the insult you sister. You dey watch this video now. You hear? So may you the man he say he know the fit touch his wife phone. You know the fit touch her. Every day now she dey change pin code. That kind of thing not good. So may we do something. How we take you see some men, you go say my wife I want to take her and play. Now the way you take respect yourself. You understand me? Okay, all this one where you they do now. Lie. Even though the man or maybe you not doing again, you not go trust you again. You know trust you. The man go dey working place now. According to the man, he say you go dey panic. The bed, you know the sleep bed again. In matrimonial bed, you know the sleep again. Now parlor in the sleep. Parlor. Una see am. So okay, he say as he come be the man not reach ground now. As he condition then some small thing figure put on now. My
God.
Thank you. You see small thing figure put on now.
Okay.
Now I can tell her say my sister, I beg. Road not let you pass, you pass and back. You hear what this man they talk now? You hear? Not me say now only you they walk on and you know they do anything. They say person way bad, it all bad. Some people no matter as you go do reach as they talk, now so they talk. You know they go walk. You know they go you know they go anywhere. No. So even some women will be saying now only they walk. They don't fit try this thing. They don't fit try am. Not me say you know she not talk anything will be say this matter wicked down. The man not the try as before. Now you're the year. You know the try as before. Now say yeah. Now small. You know the try as before. You women, if you stand for the man, you go the try as before. You see, all those S, all those now say that your S, fine.
Nine.
He don't marry. He say he not sit there with her again. God join two of them together. According to what that one people one also is that they laugh for this matter. He say now God now he join them together. Ever since na marriage now they dey with this man marriage now he dey.
Okay.
You see that's okay. That one woman don't fit born for her. You know the woman not there with her again. Now you can't say na man join her together. Okay. Now you can't say na your husband will compare your dad. Now you can't put asunder. You see So I bet some married women no una respect una self. Una husband go respect una. Una understand? All those my ex. I bet me ex go. That ex time don't pass. May you find your way. May you concentrate for your marriage. You understand me? My ex, you don't spoil many home. Ex go call the same message. Your husband for this thing. Your husband take they do. Now I say, not collect this make something come up. They'll cause say, Mona cause so man like this, so don't do something to your wife. I beg. May we they do something well. May we women, I beg, may we they respect ourselves. I use God beg una. So my good people, so now this topic now you say me and see carry come today. I beg both two of them they need our advice. So now make me bring am come out. May my people mona see talk put. I beg no insult. I beg mona leave una advice, una contribution. Mona leave am for comment section. As una do so, my good people, please share this video, okay? As you do so, may God bless you all. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for coming. I love you all. Please follow this page, okay? Glory Edo's one on Spay TV. But I never put the TV. I still put her. Now make me the talker. I bet when I follow this page, when I like this page, okay? We will they talk different things here. You understand? So some things we be say we still know. We will sit they take care of ourselves. We will see the talk and here. You understand? Person know they know finish. I did the break. We they learn every day. You feel learn from me, I'll learn from you. Now so this life be. You understand? So guys, I love you all. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching.